In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Api-ms-win-eventing-provider-l1-1-0.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open a browser. It could be any of the browser. And simply search for the missing DLL file. Put download or type download, hit enter. Click on the first match. Scroll down and then you'll find for the system type of your Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Check your system type and then download the link that corresponds to your system type. Click on download. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Right click on the DLL file, select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Double click on the Windows folder. Scroll down to the System32 folder. If you're a 64-bit, go to System32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYSWOW64. So we're a 64-bit, go to System32. Right-click and then select Paste. Once you have pasted it here, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart, and then open a browser again for the next method. Simply search Visual C++ Redistributable, hit Enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download link for the system type of your Windows and simply install the Microsoft Visual C++ on your Windows. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.